you are feeling angry for what seems to be no apparent reason, can't take your frustration at the world and snapping at people more often. Know this, you are not the only one. Let me tell you, a UK based Indian doctor, Saj Devshi, explains that the anger is linked to arousal levels and are essentially spilling over. Anger is a masking emotion. There's always something underneath it, be it fear or panic, for instance. But instead of admitting that we are scared, we get angry. Remember, anger and being angry can be incredibly damaging. But as with all our emotions, it has a job to do and has a message for us. When we feel we are being controlled or trapped in a small space, our body naturally produces adrenaline to help us push outwards to remove these boundaries. So we have to calm down. Just take a walk in the corridor for 10 minutes and it will calm you down. Even some beverages can also do the trick. It's easier said than done sometimes. But things that really help with built up frustration, stress, and overwhelm that can all lead to anger.